far, masaya naman kami lahat sa nakukuha naming feedback from the audience kasi talagang na-appreciate nila yung ginagawa ng mga actors on stage na talagang tinatangkilik nila. Marami nang nanood ng more than once. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga support.
I've seen it! Right! Maganda! Pangalawa ko na to. I'm sorry! Pangatlong ano ko na to panood. So, walang sawa ako nanonood doon. Lalo nag-improve yung play.
Sobrang ganda. Sobrang overwhelming ng nararamdaman namin bilang actor. Hindi namin in-expect na gano'n yung magiging kalalabasan ng drama.
Sobrang nakakataba siya ng puso.
Okay, sobrang ganda.
Amazing! Sobrang amazing!
Sobrang seryoso nila sa pagkama.
Craft nila. It was really wonderful. So more watch na ni Please. Tapos ito talaga best. Oh my God!
Sobrang grateful po kami sa inyong suporta, sa panonood, sa pagbigay ng oras sa aming lahat.
Nagulat talaga ako kasi hindi ko na-expect na gano'n yung magiging pagtanggap tsaka yung reaction ng mga tao sa pinaghirapan namin play.
That was really amazing! Oh my God!
Every scene is really shocking and very, very interesting. I really love it.
It was worth the watch.
Yes. First time ko siya mapanood and I really liked it. Maganda. Yung lahat ng elements, maganda. First time ko sa Dulahang New and I enjoyed it.
Great, awesome. Okay yung choreography. I love the dances. Okay yung storyline. Great.
Thankful na kami na nakakakuha kami ng mga positive.
At daming mga audience na sobrang kaibigan namin dahil sa show na to. Mas lagi silang suporta talaga. Kagabi may nag-message sa akin na sabi niya mga pang-apat na beses niya nang nanood na ang Nawalang Kapatid.
I think the kids improved more compared to what they did last time. The story itself must have been intact, so it nag-gel into a better performance.
It was very outstanding. It was something different, the energy was fantastic. Throughout the whole production, the energy level was very high, so I really appreciate it. And really liked it very much.
Very humbling siya. Tsaka overwhelming din yung feeling kasi na-appreciate ng audience yung gawa namin.
Sobrang nakaka-touch. Sana patuloy pa nila tayong supportahan dito sa ating benefit shows. It was amazing. First day of
It's very good. Masaya nila lahat. Energetic. It's my first time to really see all these actors really very well. I really enjoy it. Recommend this to my actors. It's very nice. Mahusay talaga. So, galing. Congratulations.
Anong aasahan ng Nawalang Kapatid audience mula sa first run, second run?
Hindi siya dapat parang common. So it has to be raw, it has to be organic. So hinahanapan pa namin ng mga iba-ibang
Siyempre yung Dulahang New Ensemble, nandyan pa rin kami. Pero meron kami mga bagong mga kasamaan. Abangan niyo yun, meron kami mga kasamang bago, not only sa leads, pero also sa ensemble. And meron din kami mga slide changes sa choreography. Abangan niyo.
Pero kumbaga yung puso ng show, yung energy, yung passion, doon pa rin siya.
Yun nga, bigay buhay ng mga stunts. Ang catch na lang yan, manood na lang kayo para makita niyo yung difference.
mas lalo siyang kapanapanabik dahil maraming mga bago, maraming in terms of execution, maraming mga bago. As in, abangan niyo.
Dapat yung kung paano yung gaano ka-precise yung dati, ganun pa rin